Advent of the Europeans. What is the meaning of Advent? Advent means arrival. A-R-R-I-V-A-L. Arrival. Arrival of the European countries. What are the European countries? The European countries, namely the Portugal, the British, the Danish, the Dutch, and the French. These are the European countries. The European countries came to India for trading only. Okay. Advent of the Europeans. Introduction. In the 18th and 19th century, travelers, traders means businessmen, missionaries means religious missions, and civil servants came to India. Sources of modern India. The sources for the history of modern India help us to know the political, socio-economical, and cultural developments in the country. Then, the archives at Lisbon, Goa, Pondicherry, and Madras were literally storehouses of precious historical informations. Okay. Kinds of sources. There are two kinds of sources: written sources, material sources. Written sources, namely literatures, travel accounts, diaries, documents, and manuscripts. Material sources, buildings, architectures, coins, and photos. Archives. This is the place where historical documents are preserved. Archives means storehouse. The goods storing in the godown, isn't it? Also, likewise, important historical documents, records, data, evidence, carefully storing the place is called as archives. Next, NAI, National Archives of India. NAI is located in New Delhi. Tamil Nadu Archives. TNA is one of the oldest and largest archives in southern India. Tamil Nadu National Archives is located in Chennai. It has 1642 volumes of Dutch records which relate to Cochin and Coromandel coast. The European countries: the Portugal, the British, the Dutch, the Danish, and the French were the European countries came to India for trading. The Portugal. Bartholomew Dias, a Portuguese sailor, reached the southernmost point of Africa in the year 1487. He was patronized by the King John II. Vasco da Gama. He was the second Portuguese sailor. He reached Calicut in the year 1498. He set up first trading center in the place of Cananur. Thereafter, he set up trading centers namely Cochin, Goa, Daman, Diu and Bombay. The Dutch. The Dutch East India Company set up in the year 1602. He set up his first factory in Masulipattnam. Thereafter, he established his trading centers, namely Pulicat, Surat, Sinsura, Patna, Balasur and Nagapatnam. The British. In the year 1612, English Captain Thomas Best inflicted a severe defeat over the Portuguese in a naval battle near Surat. So, the Mughal Emperor Jahangir permitted the English to establish their first factory in India 1613 at Surat. Thereafter, he established his trading centers, namely Surat, Agra, Ahmedabad and Bhuj. The Danes. On 17th March 1616, the Danish East India Company was established. Thereafter, set up trading center in the place of Transcriber in Tamil Nadu and Serambur in Bengal. The French. The French East India Company was formed in 1664. Thereafter, he set up his first factory in the place of Surat. Then, he established his trading centers Mahi, Karaikal, Balasur and Kazim Bazar. Conclusion. Carnatic was commercial competitiveness, government support, naval superiority. These are the causes where came to the end of the European power in India.